Now I'm going to show you. First we got egg, we got milk of glass, we got pancake mix. This is all my stuff to make some pancake. Come on guys, we are going to get started. I always ask you grown up for help because I'm too young for this, so I have to ask my grown up for help. Come on guys, let's go and let's get started. I'm going to put this mixture on the bowl, so let's get started. Next is the milk, so I'm going to put the milk. I'm going to mix the milk and the pancake now. And now guys, next is the egg.
How many egg are there?
1. Yes, I did it.
What are you doing now?
Mixing. Oh yeah, you can watch because this is the best ever. Is it not Guys, what I'm doing now, I'm stirring our breakfast pancake mixture. Guys, later we're going to cook and later we're going to eat. But first, I have to stir it quickly before the pancake gets too sticky. This is almost ready to the oven. Guys, it's almost ready to cook. Guys, this pancake is ready to cook. But my mommy will help me because I'm still young to put this in the oven. Come on guys, let's put this pancake in the oven, so it'll be nice and fluffy like the same that I liked for earlier. And see, it's still jiggly like a giraffe. And do you see that it's so jiggly, guys? Come on, let's go. To scoop it in syrup and eat. Let's get started. I look like we else having our breakfast. We got grape, we got banana, we got orange. Those are the breakfast beside pancake. yummy. I love them so much. Guys, I got liver also. This is not only liver. Guys, milk is good with pancake. That was so good. Hi guys, I want to tell you something about fruits. Grape is healthy and pancake is healthy also. And orange and banana. So we are going to eat it. Guys, I love syrup in pancake. Very yummy. Aaliyah, do you like the pancake that we make? What's the pancake?
She finished all this. It means she likes it.
Good. I'm not finished it yet. Guys, some orange. Mommy, I want more milk. Guys, we're done eating our breakfast. And guys, I'm going to drink my milk to later. And thank you so much for watching our skip pan, our fruits.
And
And hope you subscribe to our channel. Click the bell button. See you next time. Bye. I love you.
Anya, say bye.
Bye.
Say see you next time.
Bye.
I love you all.
Hello.
Please subscribe and click the bell button. Bye guys.
Bye guys.